Is nice. This is a titanium knife. Opens up like that, kind of like a switchblade, and you have a little lock here that if you want to do that. Now you know this is extremely razor sharp because that's what you use. You just use normal razors. It does come with its own set of razor blades. Basically, to put the new razor blade in, you just undo those 2 screws and you put it in there. So really nice knife. I want to kind of show you how you close it up and you lock it like that. And it also has a pry bar here if you want to like use this to open up like a can of paint. It's titanium, feels really cool. I see a lot of people flipping this thing around. I'm not into that kind of thing. I don't know how to do that. I think they do something like this, you know, and they flip it. But I'm not trying to cut myself. I'm not real well at it, but this is a titanium bladed knife. It's very, very nice. There you go. Check it out. Cool.